And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas in front of you, and I am not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I intend on using as many tools as I can possibly manage, starting with, that's for an inversion pour, we'll see, my spatula. Right after, I give myself some colors in my in my pan, assuming I can get them to come out. Really? Okay. Gotcha. Trying to keep my tops off. They're not really off yet. I'd like some different colors. That doesn't mean I'll get them, but I'll try. Try and leave my tops off. I intend on scooping out of this with either the shovel or the kitchen scoop. We'll see how that works. I'm going to throw some of my white Anita's metallic in there because that worked out better than I thought it would yesterday. And I'm going to risk some of my pretty blue. Oh, that's actually a cobalt. I think I may have put some iridescent pearl fine in there. It looks like it's a bit metallic, so that's cool. I don't want to put any yellow in there yet, just because I'll get a green, and I already have green, and I'm pretty happy with the green I have. I gotta open this, and that's turquoise color shift from Folk Art. And I keep trying to remember to take my bottle tops off. This is a Folk Art neon that I haven't been using a lot of lately, and I see I've got something in my tip that I don't want there. I'm not sure how to get that out. It's out now. I don't know where it went, but it's out now. Alright, so I've got some Prussian blue, and I thought that was it, but it's the black. And the Prussian blue will often sell. Like I said, I don't know what we're doing. I want some of this red, though. And with it, I'm going to give myself permission. Boy, there's some very interesting colors, huh? And I'm almost too full to go on, so I think I better be very cautious. That does not even want to come out. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe a little dribble. Anyway. Maybe not. Everything's plugged again. Okay, well now I've got two splooges on my canvas, but I don't suppose it's going to make... Really? Okay, time to use a different color than that color. Fine, be that way. I did shake these up. I did unplug everything. I swear. Alright, this is not conducive. I've got a couple bottles to unplug. Let's try one more time. There we go. I really wanted some darker orange in there. Oh, that'll work. I don't even know where that came from. It's not the bottle I was just trying, I can tell you that much. I'm going to try and find a level spot for this. Not that there is one, because I think there isn't. And I hope I don't spill it. Oh, I'm going to spill it. No matter what I do, I'm going to spill it. Okay. I think... Oh boy, that's interesting. Okay, so... It doesn't matter how we start this. It really does not. So I'm just going to start. And say, I'll make the white go as far as I can make it. And I might spread a little paint in there. Or I might not. By spreading, I mean add some more color. I think glasses are important. Because that way I might see what I'm doing for a minute. And I think I'm going to need some more white paint over there if I want to do that's not white, an inversion pour of any kind. I intended on tipping some of this before I do that, so we'll see how that goes. I just need a layer of paint on everything. And I need paint to come out of the tops of my bottles. Go figure! One more try. And then I just take the top off. Do I? Maybe I don't. Yes, I do. Clean the congealed paint off around the inside. There's nothing in there. What is clogging me? I see you, thing. It's a tipped shape thing. Goodbye, thing. Just a little tiny plug. Yeah, and then there's that other big plug beside it. Alright, let's see. I saw that one. Really? I guess we'll find the other one in a minute. So let's just do that. And I have some Prussian blue, and I don't know if I put the top back on that. Definitely not to keep it from plugging up. I always say, wouldn't it be funny if I couldn't continue on, and then, as it turns out, I sometimes make things I really like. I don't know why I keep putting my tops back on there. And I may be sorry, I don't know what that is. And I may not. Okay, so I think that should go in the bucket. I think I should take some of my paint colors very cautiously from over here. And let that shovel scoop, let that scoop empty itself as far as it wants to. I have a nice little, yes, it's turning, stop turning. Come back here, turntable. I have a nice little Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I'm going to scrape all my pretty colors off with. Excuse me. Throw my scoop in the bucket because I have more scoops. I kind of want some gold in there. Because I can, sort of thing. The name of my book on the Amazon link. And I seldom do that. And I just want to do everything. So let's say that that's pretty cool just the way it is, and I'm not going to worry about it, except for using my chain to let some of the paint go right over the edge. All the way along there. That worked pretty well. I'm not unhappy with that a bit. The question is, do I want to do it again over here? The question is, can I do it again over here? I might be able to. Feels like it. Let's see what that looks like. I kind of want some other white paint over there right now to fill that in nicely. While I'm right here. Alright, so that's somewhat filled in. The question for me is, do I want to keep playing with things? And the answer is yes. I want to keep playing with things. My intention was to just go ahead and get right out there with skewers and tipping and everything else I could think of. And so far, it seems to be working kind of cool. I was even thinking about ring pours. I think that inversion pour is going to have to wait. I could just call this good right now. I'm pretty happy about it, honestly. So let's just go ahead and take a shovelful of paint color. draw with it. Because the canvas is wet and it will help flow paint, it's also attracting the paint inside the shovel to come right out. And I'm going to use it just to go right down over my edges, right there, and over here. And see what else is on the back. Not a lot. Use my finger. Actually, I'm going to use the paint inside the shovel to do my edge right there. Because I can. Not because I should, but because I can. And it blends okay, which is alright with me. So I've got all kinds of other stuff here, and I want to do the same thing I just did with the other place. And allow all that to do whatever it pleases. For the moment, that shovel can go in the bucket because I have other shovels. I recommend if you're going to buy shovels and scoops, have more than one. That way you are not, it's not imperative that you stop and clean everything. Duplicates are a good thing. Alright, so all of that is more or less done, and I'm going to go over here and finish that edge because I can. So I don't have to think about it later. And I think I might find an edge catcher. I want that to go that way, so that's definitely an edge catcher. Edge catchers are just plastic sheets that came in value packs of canvases. And I'm going to let that run all the way down there and back, I think. And we're getting some really interesting little cells. And everything else is running too. I'm going to squeeze that over the edge. Try not to drop anything. Let everything, look at everything and let everything run. I've said look at everything, yes, look at it. I like that. And that. And that. And that. I'm going to let it run back again, maybe. Where's my Prussian blue? I keep moving it. I think that belongs over there. And I can drag stuff. I could definitely go back to chain again. Whoop. Chain with kinks. Not a band. Alright, well that's interesting. I think I want some loop, and I don't think that particular piece of chain is amicable to looping. So let's just go ahead. Throw that in the bucket too. Alright, so what have I got going on here that I want to change? Anything? Probably not a lot. I'm really curious as to see what will happen when I go ahead and add some acetate cards in. I think I need a less aggressive one. Like forward and back, let it agitate the paint. Makes a whole different kind of mark. that I happen to like. Not pristine or clean. This is definitely outside my conventional comfort zone, but that's a good thing. I was looking for something to be a little different. I'm going to let that gold on my card go right down over the edge, and come back over here and do the same thing on this side. The turntable is nice. The tile is good because you can get things to the edge of it. I think I like that turquoise in there, but I also see some canvas and I want it to be gone. So let's see how those two things combine. And everything else. I kind of did want to do some more skewering. I love skewering. So let's see. What happens when I get over here and decide to use the paint on my skewer. I think alright, that was a fast 20 minutes. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you, and decide if I have anything else I want to do, which you can see I do have other things I want to do. This was supposed to be all about playing. It was kind of. Waggle some skewer. Add some gold, add some pink. I got 2 minutes. I'm not focused on that right now. I'm focused on this right now. Purple. Yes. Some of my favorite purple. Will it stay? I don't know. Just rolling my skewer right in the paint I want to steal. Rolling it down over the edge too. I have one entire edge to cover still, which I'll probably be doing after you guys are gone. So I have PayPal and Patreon if you want to contribute to keep the studio going, and you'll be entered in a contest. And I appreciate everybody who's helped me so far. Thank you so much, guys. I'm trying to think and work, and it's not working. And I just want to tip some stuff. And I like that gold, and there's no reason I can't give myself permission to use as much of it as I want. The more things that overlap other things, the more dimension I give my artwork. Same with waggles. I'm not sure about that one though. Alright, so you guys are going to be gone, and I'm too busy having a good time to tell you everything I need to tell you, so I'll just try. On my Amazon link, you can find the OXO omelet turning spatulas, and you can find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. You can find all kinds of other stuff, including my book called Because I Can, and it's the first 100 videos on YouTube. Recordings and links and all kinds of stuff. It comes in a soft cover and as an ebook, much less expensive. If you purchase the soft cover, you get the ebook for like $2.99, which is pretty cool. I don't know what else I want to do to this, but I'm sure there's something. I'm pretty sure that this is it right here. I want some white and to put some of that purple neon over the top of it.